Understanding Furnace Transformer, an essential guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines technology and language: Furnace Transformer. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about English terminology, this video is for you. Let's explore what a furnace transformer is, its importance, and how it's used in everyday language. First, let's dissect the phrase, furnace transformer, into two parts: furnace and transformer. A furnace is a device used for high-temperature heating. It's commonly found in houses for warmth or in industries for processing materials by burning, melting, or any other heating method. A transformer, in electrical engineering, is a device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. When combined, furnace transformer refers to a specific type of transformer used in conjunction with furnaces, especially in industrial settings, to step down or step up the voltage as needed for the furnace's operation. Understanding the term furnace transformer is crucial not just for technical experts, but also for individuals working in industries where furnaces are common. This device plays a key role in ensuring the efficiency of industrial furnaces by adjusting the electrical supply to meet the furnace's requirements. Safety, as it helps in regulating the voltage, preventing potential electrical hazards. Cost-effectiveness, by optimizing the furnace operation and reducing unnecessary energy consumption. To help you grasp how this term might be used in real-life situations, here are a couple of examples. In a factory setting, an engineer might say, "We need to check the furnace transformer regularly to ensure it's functioning correctly and safely." During a technical meeting, a discussion could arise: "The new furnace transformer installation will help us reduce energy costs and improve production efficiency." And there you have it, a brief guide to understanding what a furnace transformer is, its significance, and its applications. We hope this video has illuminated a bit more about this technical yet intriguing term and its role in both language and technology. Remember, learning English opens doors to not just communication but also understanding complex concepts and technologies around us. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.